Well, here's one for you. A nice little inexpensive two-seater convertible. 1968 Fiat 850 Spider. But before we go any further, do us that favor. Hit subscribe, hit like, leave comments, good or bad. It really helps the channel. (1968) Fiat 850 convertible. Two-seater. Beautiful little car. One repaint many years ago. Car actually was just recently featured on an upcoming reality show about automobiles discovered in barns and garages, and this was one of the cars they used, I believe, for the pilot. I don't have much more information than that. Good clean car, clean title, no issues. 4-speed manual transmission. Interior was redone not too long ago, a number of years ago I believe, but it's in very good shape. See the pictures right here. It's got a good look to it. It's kind of like an off-white, almost a cream white with the red piping. Rear-wheel drive, of course. Well, Fiat 850. And technically, if I remember correctly, the motors are actually 906 cc. Brakes were gone through. It's got brand new tires all the way around. It's got new pads on the brakes, manual disc up front, drum in the rear. Clean, straight body, not all beat up, not rusty. Original chrome is in good shape. Fun little car, ready to be taken to the next level. Let's get her opened up, fired up, and of course we'll take it for a ride. Got her opened up for you. Take a look at the interior. I'll insert some pictures right here. Parts are readily available. Comes with the original owner's manual, and there's a catalog from Mr. Fiat out of Georgia. I buy a lot of parts from them. Interior is very, very nice, as you can see by the pictures. Doors close nicely. I'll fire it up here in a minute. Under the hood, or the trunk, is in good shape. Let's fire it up. Fiat 850. It's got a Weber carburetor on it. Dual throat, the 30 DIC, if I remember correctly. It is water cooled. It sounds good. No strange noises, no smoke. None of that stuff. It's got a canvas top. As you can see right there, let me pop a picture in with the top up. So it's got a nice look. There we go, locked. Parts are available. I deal with Mr. Fiat and Midwest Bayless myself. They got pretty much everything you need. Neat little car. Let me squeeze myself into it and let's go for a ride. All the gauges work, speedometer works. Gas gauge is a little wonky. Works sometimes when you get down below about a half a tank, it seems to register. It's got a full tank of gas in it right now. 4-speed manual transmission. Doing a video with a stick shift one-handed is always an interesting feat. We'll do a quick little run around the block for you. Clutch feels good. been driving the car a little bit on and off. Runs good, drives good. Gonna probably take it to Cars and Coffee this Saturday. They're not the fastest thing in the world. Top speed maybe about 60 miles an hour. You know, they were only about 30 horsepower. You can hear that little dual throat Weber open it up. Fun little car. Even the heater works. A lot of the mechanics were gone through, engine, you know, brake system, stuff like that. Everything seems to work pretty good. The high-low beam on the headlight switch, which is column mounted, doesn't seem to be working all the time. Easy enough fix. Mr. Fiat has the parts for it. I'll tell you one thing about this car is every time I take it out, go to the gas station or stop somewhere with it, someone's got a little conversation or a story about it. You know, they're not very common cars. You just don't see them that often. Cruising along at about 35, almost 40 miles an hour. One thing I will say, if you're a big guy, over 6 foot, this car is not your size. I'm right at 6 foot, and I'm okay in it. But she runs really good. Take her back over to the shop and we'll wrap it up. And that's a wrap. 1968 Fiat 850 Spider convertible. Offered to you from RPM Rare Performance Motor Cars. That's rpmotorcars.com. Check us out online. See the full description in the link below. Financing is available. Priced right, ready to go. Don't miss this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave any comments. We really appreciate your feedback. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.